Hi everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I've got my beautiful little granddaughter with me, Aria. I think she's a bit tired though, and she's ready for bed. What we're going to do today is we're going to do some dreadlock work. Yes, we are. You want to go back to mummy? Come on, mummy.
Here's my granddad. Can you not beat me? Can you not beat me?
Some dreadlock work today. I've got a problem. I've got a set of dreadlocks that are very, very thin here at the top. And what I'm worried about is I'm worried about it snapping off and not having a dreadlock here anymore. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to join it to another dreadlock. I'm going to join it to that one. Like that. Now there's several ways I can do this. I can do it with a crochet hook, but the dreadlock is very, very thin just there, so I'm a bit worried about snapping the dread. Listen to Aria in the background. She don't want to go to bed, does she? She's very tired though. The other way I can do it is I can make a hole in the root of this dreadlock and thread this one through, and it pulls them together, but I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do it with a piece of cotton. So let me just grab this piece of cotton and I'll show you what we're going to do. To demonstrate what we're going to do now, on Megan's finger, so if you'll come here, Megan, this is my beautiful daughter Megan. So I've got a piece of cotton and it's wrapped itself up. I'm going to double it over like that. Imagine these are the two dreads together. I'm going to wrap it round, feed it through like that, separate them, wrap it round a few times and then tie it off. Well, that's what Megan's going to do. I'm going to get the two dreads ready. Okay, so I want that one, and I want that one. So she's going to wrap it round at the base, feed it through the loop, and then wrap it round a few times and tie it up in the knot. And then all we're going to do is just trim the ends off. Tie it off. Nice strong knot.
JFK to LAX, my mic's get chin. Coast to coast, I rock it most times, no sweat. Me to you, get what we do and never forget. Now's the time, fall out of line and take your first step.
Done? Okay, so these two dreads will now grow into one dread. No holes in there or anything, just go into one dreadlock. And when they get a bit longer, what I can do is this one that's a bit thin, if I want, I can just snip it off with the scissors and I've got a spare dread in case I need it anywhere else. What an awesome plan. Anyway, that's how we do it. So thank you very much for watching. Say goodbye, Megan.
Hi.
No, you're supposed to say goodbye, Megan.
Goodbye, Megan.
Goodbye, everybody, and hopefully we will see you in the next video. I don't know if Megan's going to be here or not. She's a bit shy now. I just think millions of people are going to see this video, Megan.
Thanks.
Okay. Bye everybody, see you soon.